Hey Queens, today I'm going to show you how to install your glueless lace wig, as requested by our amazing audience. Step 1. Adjust the straps to fit your head circumference. Slide the wig into place and gently pull the lace until the back combs grip into your hair. Then adjust the side combs for a secure fit. Step 2. Cut the lace. Once the wig is in place, it's time to cut the lace. Start by cutting off the sides around your ears. Use pinking shears if possible. The zigzag patterns hides the lace better. Make 2 cuts above each corner of your eyebrows, 1 on each side. Finally, cut across the forehead. If you don't have pinking shears, use regular scissors in a zigzag motion to mimic the effect. You can also use an eyebrow razor to cut in the same zigzag motion. Step 3. Style the baby hair. Use styling gel to shape and style the baby hair as you like. Once styled, place a lace melting band to secure everything in place. Now that the lace is set, it's time to style your glueless lace wig. Step 4. Style your wig. I'm using a styling stick, but any gel that isn't too messy will work. Since this wig is made of human hair, we'll use a hot tool for styling. Step 5. Finishing touches. Gently remove the mounting band and you're all done. And that's how you style a glueless lace wig. We've made this video in response to a request, so feel free to comment below what tutorial you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching.